When we are leaders, what kind of a leader is Peter? A servant leadership, not one with authority. And the first reading is telling us, and that's what Peter has said, not domineering. No. We see each other in Jesus. All of us are in His body. So in our body, all the parts have equal place. Everyone is important. So what does the body, what do? I take care of my body, I don't destroy it. So this is the attitude, the servant leadership. I'm taking care of my body, and so Jesus is taking care of the body through each one of us. And when we reach out to others, whatever happens to the other happens to me. It is in this attitude that we have to do.